want that snack, he said out loud. I'll think it through, I'll make you proud. Oh! Puzzle solving parrot, think it through. Step by step, what can you do? Try one way, then try two. Puzzle solving parrot, think it through. First I'll flap, harder up I go. Too windy, moving much too slow. Next I'll peck the branch, tap tap tap. Mango didn't budge, it stayed right where it's at. Maybe I can shake this trunk, he said. He hopped down low, shook it with his head. Rustle, rustle, mango stayed still. Said the parrot, need a brand new skill. I'll break the problem in tiny bits. What can I use, what really fits? Long thin stick by the river bend. I'll push that mango, that's the plan, my friend. He grabbed that stick, gave a gentle nudge. Mango wiggled once, then began to budge. One more push, down it rolled with a thud. Parrot took a bite, sweet, juicy, good.